In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tasks in Microsoft Outlook by turning an email into a task, a process that takes just about 5 minutes. This method is particularly useful for those times when your inbox is overflowing with emails that require follow-ups or contain important tasks you need to track. Converting an email into a task ensures that you don't lose sight of what's important and helps declutter your inbox. Let's dive in and simplify your task management with Outlook. First, you'll need to log into your Microsoft Outlook account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Outlook login page. Once you're there, click on Sign In. Enter your credentials and log into your account. If you're using a personal or work laptop, you might have your credentials saved, which makes signing in that much quicker. Once you've successfully logged in, head over to the Outlook homepage. From here, the process is smooth sailing. Next, you'll want to focus on your emails. Click on the Mail tab to access your inbox. As you browse through your emails, identify the ones you want to convert into tasks. Opening these crucial emails is the next step, and you simply do that by clicking on the email you need to act upon. This will open up the email and give you full access to any important information it contains. With your email open, look at the toolbar or the options bar above the email. You should see a range of icons designed to help you manage your email activity. The key icon we're interested in is the flag or unflag option. By clicking on this icon, you're turning your email into a task. What this does is add the email to your task list, making it visible in your task pane for easy reference and follow-up. Outlook flags the email, and subsequently, you can manage it like any other task, setting reminders and due dates to maximize your productivity. A quick tip for managing these flags effectively is to use categories within your Outlook tasks to prioritize and sort them according to urgency or project. This will further streamline your workflow, ensuring you're not just adding to a potentially overwhelming list of tasks, but creating an organized system that helps maintain focus on priority items. That's all it takes. By the end of this process, you will have turned an important email into a manageable task, making it so much easier to stay on top of your responsibilities. With practice, flagging and managing tasks directly from emails will become second nature, freeing you up to focus on getting things done rather than juggling a crowded inbox. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore other Outlook features that can enhance your productivity.